Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Samsung Smart LED TV with the fault blank screen. Sound okay? No picture? See friends, while tapping on the display you can notice that the white light is flashing. This means backlight is okay, so it's a display fault as we discussed due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. The DC IC goes to protection mode and because of that it doesn't generate any basic panel voltages. If the shorting is any one side of the panel we can repair it using temporary fixing method by blocking shorted Gatesignals from that side. If both sides short then it will not work. However, here the permanent solution is panel replacement. See friends, this TV display comes with a single COF panel having SM4186 Dc IC. These are the Gatesignals tracks from both sides, so here first we are going to cut down the right side Gatesignal tracks. See friends, now the right side Gatesignal tracks are open. Now let's check the picture. See finally now picture comes and the TV started working back to normal. But always remember that this is just only temporary solution. Permanent solution is always panel replacement and we can't predict how long the TV display will work using this method. It completely depends on user luck basis. So that's it. Hope like this video. If you like our channel please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.